In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentage format in Notion. This is a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to organizing and understanding your data. Percentages are often easier to read than raw decimal numbers, especially when you're tracking progress, completion rates, or performance metrics inside a database. To begin, open the Notion database where you want to display percentages. Once the database is open, click the plus icon to add a new property. When the list of property types appears, select Number. This property type is important because percentages in Notion are based on numerical values. At this stage, you'll enter your value as a decimal. For example, if you want to represent 25%, you would type 0.25 into the cell. After entering the value, click on the property name at the top of the column to open the property settings. From there, choose the option to edit the property. Inside the settings panel, look for the number format option. By default, this is set to number, which is why your value appears as a decimal. Simply change the format from number to percent. As soon as you make this change, Notion will automatically convert the decimal into a percentage. That same 0.25 will now display as 25%. This small adjustment instantly improves readability and makes your table easier to understand at a glance. It also keeps your data consistent and visually clean, especially when you're working with multiple values. Notion also allows you to work with percentages dynamically by using formulas. You can create a formula property and calculate percentages based on other values in your database. For example, dividing one number by another and multiplying by 100 lets. Notion calculate percentages automatically. Once applied, the result updates on its own whenever the original values change, keeping everything accurate and current. This is especially useful for tracking progress, productivity, scores, or any data where percentages tell a clearer story than plain numbers. Percentages also work seamlessly with other property types, such as text, dates, and relations, giving you a more complete and flexible database setup. Whether you're managing personal finances, organizing school tasks, or tracking work projects, properly formatted percentages can greatly improve clarity and organization. Once you switch the number format to percent, you'll notice how much cleaner and more intuitive your table becomes. This allows you to spend less time formatting and more time understanding and using your data effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.